This 2025 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 368 TBH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a SLATE interior, Sleep 7, TV antenna, external shower, microwave, oven, spare tire kit, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 368 TBH is 10,036 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.